Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to send emails using Mailchimp. Sending emails with Mailchimp might seem simple, but if you skip key steps like adding contacts or setting up your campaign correctly, your email either won't send or won't reach the right people. Start by opening Mailchimp and logging into your account. From the dashboard, click on Audience. Now click Add Contacts. Then choose a method from the provided methods such as adding a single contact or import contacts. Why this step is mandatory? You cannot send emails without contacts. Mailchimp needs recipients, and no contacts equals no audience equals no campaign. Clarification. Think of contacts as your email list, the people who will receive your message. Now click on Campaigns. Then click Create. Then select the option Regular Email. Why we chose Regular Email? It's the standard email format and the best for newsletters, promotions, or updates. You'll now choose how to design your email. Choose from either building it from scratch, using a basic layout, or choosing a fully designed template. For this tutorial, select Fully Designed Template. Now, pick a template from the list. Important note: many templates require a paid plan, so choose a free template if you're on the free version. Now customize your email. You can change texts, add images, adjust layouts, etc. Why editing is important? You need to match your brand, deliver your message clearly, and make it relevant to your audience. Once done, click Save and Exit. Now choose the audience. That's why we chose to add our audience at the beginning of this video. Next, fill in the subject line, what people see first, and the preview text. Small text shown next to subject. Why this step is critical? Subject line determines if people open your email and subject. Preview text supports and improves open rate. Once everything is set, click Send. Your email will now be delivered to your contacts. Using Mailchimp properly ensures your emails actually reach people and get opened. To summarize, sending emails in Mailchimp involves adding contacts, creating a campaign, designing your email using a template, setting your audience and subject line, and finally sending the email. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.